Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a relaxing walk along the beautiful Sopot Beach in Poland. It's a perfect summer day here with golden sand, fresh sea breeze, and a lively beach atmosphere full of people enjoying the sunshine. As we walk, you'll experience the calming sound of the waves, stunning Baltic Sea views, and a glimpse of summer beach fashion and coastal lifestyle that makes Sopot so special. If you enjoy relaxing travel walks like this, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing beach destinations from around the world. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful Sopot Beach walk.
Philip.